like a mirror. Think you see what's inside, but your gaze is just a shadow of what I've learned to hide. You speak like you know the answers, every word a decree, but your wisdom's just a whisper in the noise of the sea. You don't know me at all, what I feel when I fall. You don't see the tears that I don't let show. You judge me like a jury, but the gavel never drops. Your verdict's one-sided, truth bleeds from the cracks and gaps. You think I'm just a story, a tale told and done, but the chapters keep unwinding in the light of a dying sun. You don't know me at all, what I feel when I fall. You don't see the tears that I don't let show. You judge me like a jury, but the gavel never drops. Your verdict's one-sided, truth bleeds from the cracks and gaps. You think I'm just a story, a tale told and done, but the chapters keep unwinding in the light of a dying sun. You don't know me at all, what I feel when I fall. You don't see the tears that I don't let show.
Empty bed just echoes, haunted by your whispers. Photos on the wall stare, silence never felt so loud. Your scent still lingers, ghosts of you everywhere. Trapped in memories fading, hope left with the dawn. When you're gone, I'm hollow. Night drags on forever. No sun to pierce this darkness, lost without your light. Shadows dancing, mocking, cold wind through the window. Time moves like it's frozen, nothing feels the same. Heartbeats just for aching, left with words unspoken. Days blend into gray fog, drowning slowly in the void. When you're gone, I'm hollow. Night drags on forever. No sun to pierce this darkness, lost without your light. Night drags on forever. No sun to pierce this darkness, lost without your light. Lonely night moons glow, whispers from shadows, heart like a stone wall, can't shake this night's call. Dreams lost in silence, eyes closed, just violence. Memories like chains hold, frozen in this night's cold. The one I love gone far away, echoes of a heart's dismay. Holding on to nothing left to say. In darkness I'll wait another day. As we walk now overgrown, empty streets, only wind has known. Questions linger, no answers shown. In a maze of sorrow, where to go? Butterflies in a storm, hopes to ashes burn, ghosts of words you wouldn't say. Left me stranded in yesterday. The one I love gone far away, echoes of our heart's dismay. Holding on to nothing left to say. In darkness I'll wait another day.
Marching through the dust and smoke, eyes of steel, yet hearts half broke. Wind screams tales of forgotten hopes, war's a trench that never slopes. Bitter rain in the dead of night, lost my way, but I still fight. Shadows laugh in the muted light. Time rolls on in endless spite. Soldier of fortune, battling ghosts. Every wind's a hollow toast. Standing tall, but feeling lost. Life on edge, forever cost. Memories haunt in the silence loud, garnering strength in a shroud. Faces blur in the swirling crowd. Pain's a stormy, toxic cloud.
Woke up early, sun's too bright. Dim the lights, close the blinds. Bed's my world, don't wanna rise. Dreams my only paradise. Phone's been ringing, let it die. Clock keeps ticking, time flies by. What's the point in trying hard? Life's a blur like abstract art. Not today, not ever soon. Stay in bed till afternoon. No ambition, no grand plans. Just me and my idle hands. Shower later, maybe not. Sweatpants on, sleep a lot. To-do list crumpled on the floor. Nothing matters anymore. Not today, not ever soon. Stay in bed till afternoon. No ambition, no grand plans. Just me and my idle hands. Me and my idle hands. On to laying and let it die. Clock keeps ticking, time flies by. What's the point in trying hard? Life's a blur like abstract art. Not today, not ever soon. Stay in bed till afternoon. No ambition, no grand plans. Just me and my idle hands. Not today, not ever soon. Stay in bed till afternoon. No ambition, no grand plans. Just me and my idle hands. Shower later, maybe not. Sweatpants on, sleep a lot. To-do list crumpled on the floor. Nothing matters anymore.
Walking down this empty street, not sure where it all went wrong. Shadows that we used to meet vanished now, long gone. Time it flips its dirty coin. Faces show no sign of trust. Promises like broken joy. Shattered dreams now turn to dust. What about love left in the rain? Wash away all of our pain. What about hearts crying in vain? Tell me, was it all in vain? Echoes of a silent prayer hit the walls and disappear. Whispers lost in chilly air. I never thought you'd leave me here. Pictures in a shattered frame. Memories that never fade. Love, it feels like just a game. Destiny we've both betrayed. What about love left in the rain? Wash away all of our pain. What about hearts crying in vain? Tell me, was it all in vain? What about love left in the rain? Wash away all of our pain. What about hearts crying in vain? Tell me, was it all in vain? Through tangled trees, whispers call me to my knees. Shadow path I barely see, follow ghostly please. Ancient walls like weathered skin, dreams they creep. The temple of the king I seek, secrets buried long and deep, sacred answers shadows speak, in my dreams they creep. The temple of the king I seek, secrets buried long and deep, sacred answers shadows speak, in my dreams they creep. The temple of the king I seek, secrets buried long and deep, sacred and invites me in, lone and dark within. Echoed footsteps I can't flee, mirrored eyes staring back at me.
Shadows fall on broken dreams. Life ain't always what it seems. Tears get lost in the midnight rain. Lonely hearts scream your name. Walking streets in the dead of night, lost my reason, lost my fight. Sky's been gray, no sign of light. Your time's coming, it feels so right. Your time is gonna come. You'll see what you become. Can't run from the days gone by. No more masking, no more lies. The winds whisper secrets in my ear. Time to face your deepest fear. Moonlight breaks the darkest hour. Feel the burn, taste the power. Echoes bounce from wall to wall. Will you rise or will you fall? Past mistakes gonna pave the way for a dawn that breaks today. Your time is gonna come. You'll see what you become. Can't run from the days gone by. No more masking, no more lies. Your time is gonna come. You'll see what you become. Can't run from the days gone by. No more masking, no more lies. Four strong winds blow through these plains. Empty fields hold memories gains. Lonely nights and endless days. Shadows linger where hopes decay. the fire you used to see. Gone the dreams we thought we'd be. Time moves on, but scars remain, fading whispers of all our pain. Four strong winds to take me home, far away from what's unknown. Through the dark and past the fear. Four strong winds to dry each tear. Silent hearts and aching bones, winds will carry what's been sown. Broken words we couldn't say drift away in the twilight gray. Empty roads that twist and bend, leading nowhere, no more friends. Ghosts of love we tried to keep, echoes fade as we fall asleep. Four strong winds to take me home, far away from what's unknown. Through the dark and past the fear. Four strong winds to dry each tear. Old clock ticking, shadows dim my room. Dust on pictures, memories gone too soon. Rain keeps falling, sky forever gray. Lost without you, endless night, no day. Waiting for your love, where did you go? Empty rooms and echoes, heart it aches so every moment passing, dragging on slow. Can't find peace till you come back home. Streetlights flicker like the hope inside. Moonlight fades, swallowed by the tide. Hollow words echo in my mind. Promises broken, truth is hard to find. Waiting for your love, where did you go? Empty rooms and echoes, heart it aches so every moment passing, dragging on slow. Can't find peace till you come back
distant echoes, heart it aches, so every moment passing, dragging on slow. Can't find peace till you come back home.
Bleeding hearts in the rain, shattered dreams by the flame. Where is the love tonight? Lost in the shadows of shame. Broken promises lie, silent whispers they die. Where is the love I knew, fading under a blackened sky? Where is the love that we see? Hearts grow cold, words turn weak. Gone are the days so bright, now lost in a never-ending night. Lonely streets call my name, faces blur in the frame. Where is the love now found, buried beneath endless blame? Distant echoes of cheer, now replaced by the fear. Where is the love we crave, drowning in a river of tears? Where is the love that we see? Hearts grow cold, words turn weak. Gone are the days so bright, now lost in a never-ending night.
Shadows on my wall, your whispers haunt my mind. Promises broken now, can't leave the past behind. Cold nights, empty bed, heart heavy. Can't pretend you said it was forever. Guess forever's just pretend. Your love is alive, I disguise. Your love is a lie. Tears fell from my eyes. Lonely streets I roam, your ghost by my side. Trace the lines of pain, where did it all collide? Dreams shattered on the floor, truths I can't ignore. Love turned into pain, a storm I felt before. Your love is a lie, I see it through your disguise. Your love is a lie, tears fell from my eyes. Disguise. Your love is a lie, tears fell from my eyes. Your love is a lie, I see it through your disguise. Your love is a lie, tears fell from my eyes. Walking through the ashes black, miles of fire behind my back. Ghosts of dreams that never cracked, shadows won't leave me intact. Tearing down the walls of doubt, not a whisper, not a shout. Skies below and ground above, running from this thing called love. Going down in a blaze of glory, another chapter in a twisted story. Flames rise high, consume the night, burning out before the light. Stone and hearts of clay wander on this endless day. People pass, their faces gray, in the fire they all sway. Tangled thoughts that weave and twist, every hope a flickered mist. Worlds apart yet so damn close, in the flames we face our ghosts. Going down in a blaze of glory, another chapter in a twisted story. Flames rise high, consume the night, burning out before the light.